When you walk through the gates for one last time today, you'll only be able to enter again into that world of classrooms and playgrounds through the gates of your memory. I hope you leave with as many special memories as you have given us.
Today, there are three things that I want to say on behalf of the college. The first is thank you. The second is we're really, really sad to say goodbye. You have been so open, so warm, so friendly in everything you do. The third thing I want to say is what an incredible legacy you are leaving.
Class of 2018, we've written and rewritten this speech so many times because it's honestly such a struggle to truly capture everything this year group is with just a few words.
We remember sitting where you are right now and wishing it was us on the way out.
What no one told us was that we only had 2 to 3 years left of seeing our best friends every single day. It's almost over.
The doves are cooing in the distance, our roses are sitting outside in water, the doors have been flung open to the chapel and Year 11 is already sitting on the bleachers.
And when someone parts after they've hugged you, they leave off something of their soul space with you.
Hi, buddy.